The story is My Incomplete Love. Both were class fellow. Girl was beautiful in the whole university and the boy was in all the boys. Both of them were beaten with each other and finally both were arrested in the love of each other. The matter was like Romeo Juliet. The family of them hate each other. They used to do marriage was difficult. Both respectable families were the blessed children. They were not ready for marriage by running away and family down their own. Were not bringing so the matter was stuck. Boy and girl decided not to marry the whole life. They both lived in their own house. There was no contact between both 5 years. Parents tried to marry but they refused. Remained until the girl's parents lost. Girl called the boy. Boy. Boy raised the phone only hello and said, "Tell me when did I have to come with a procession?" Both got married and both of them settled their home. The boy started business, God bless him, and they became happy. This marriage went 20 years. Meanwhile, 3 children became. Lady is very proud of her beauty. She was also proud of pride. She looked young despite being a mother of 45 years and 3 children. Husband was also busy on her like the first day. He used to praise his wife every day, but then the day happened that should not have been. A little swell slipped on the lady and it became a source. Doctors showed test found out that the lady was in skin cancer. Husband was not just husband. She was his wife. It was a Mahiwal. He could tear his tie and open his wife a drill. He took the wife and went to the doctors of the world. From one clinic from a doctor. The other doctor and from one country, they both kept walking till her doctors replied. The lady's body was filled with the swell guilties. This trouble has not yet finished. That one day, second disaster was on husband's car hit by the truck and he was severely injured. He reached the hospital, found out he has been deprived of the blessing of sight. You see the tragedy after that. The most beautiful pair of the city, unfortunately, skin cancer patient and husband blind from the eyes. I am going to be a friend. When people saw them, they used to touch their ears, but they both were satisfied despite that. They used to walk in the garden every day in the morning. They used to go to cinema and used to eat food in the restaurants. Wife holding her husband's hand, she used to guide her and husband used to walk on the wife's guidance. This, ser- this series also worked for many months. Then wife asked her husband a strange demand. She wanted to go alone to Switzerland. Husband asked the reason. Wife wanted to say she wants to be alone for the 15 days. Husband was stubborn to go with him, but he did not listen. Insist and denial increased until the same happened. In such matters, husband allowed his wife. Wife went to Switzerland. Husband spent 10 days very hard. They were not alone for a day in 20 years of marriage. These were the first 10 days of their separation. These were 10 days of mountains. Husband was able to sleep under this mountain after 10 days. Wife has to come. Husband reached airport, but wife did not come. Husband felt the world crying. He kept calling his wife all day, did not contact the wife, but in the evening the letter of wife came. That letter read. That letter was not just a letter, he is a written doomsday. And the whole family went to be a victim of this written day. I will tell you a terrible but interesting reality of the world before coming to this day of judgment. There are countless centers in the world where you can die by your own will. This made for patient. In the world when these people get tired of carrying the burden of diseases and they want to die the death of China. These people go to these centers, show their medical reports, doctors check their condition and report. From then, this. They take oath. We are leaving the world by our will. By their will, the day of their death and time decide. Fulfill their last wish and leave them from the world. They give this process is called euthanasia in medical language, means easy death. It is legal in 7 countries of the world and there is a debate for its permission in the same countries. Switzerland is also included in the countries of the world where euthanasia gets legal status. Zurich city has become the center of euthanasia. This center is established in a very beautiful place. Center rooms mountains are made on the edge of the and lakes. The patient lay down on the bed and see the last morning of life and finally cross the border of life in the hands of merciful doctors and nurses. That lady also went to Switzerland. She was not able to bear the pain of cancer, so she decided to take easy death. She went to Zurich. Spent the last 10 days of life and determined death for myself when his flight had to touch the soil of the country. Here the flight came down and here she crossed the border of life. The lady's last letter of the son. He was reading the letter by taking sobbing and the husband bowed his head and listening to one word of his wife. The wife covered his whole life. She told when he met in the university for the first time. He did felt why was she fight in the university and what they was that when she fell in love with her. How did she spend 5 years of separation and she had the mercy of the servants after marriage. But why did you leave? I could not divide my love. I could not even give your part to my children. He spent a 20 years of marital life in which awesome And then when she slipped out to be the first mistake, what did she felt? She looked at herself ugly every day. What would pass on her heart? That nature. This decision also went away, but then a strange incident happened. You sent the first baby to boarding school. I knew why. You decided you did not want my kids see me in this condition. And then I am their eyes. I see pity for myself. Then you used to give bribe to the servants and they used to break some glass daily. I told you to make a glass. You used to laugh and removed. So slowly all the mirrors disappeared from the house. You did not want my own look at your beauty with my eyes. If I would have been tolerated it, but you finally did a strange thing. You accident and made yourself blind. I know your eyes are fine. You constantly 6 month acting blind pin from, and I also know why did you do this. You did not want this thought for a moment in my heart. I see you ugly, or I read my ugliness in your eyes, so you became blind. This artificial blind pin was the limit of love. I am this extreme tolerance could not do, so I decided to leave the world. I am going from the world. You please stop this acting of blind pin. Hold this letter and start reading yourself. Reach here and son's mouth stream out of vent. Inna lillahi wa inna ilaihi rajiun.